Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss about how to create monopoly in retail pharmacy. Basically, retail pharmacy is the basic business in the all pharmaceutical sector. But there are again lot of competitions as well, but still you can create a monopoly. Monopoly means there are number of customer which can definitely connected with you and your business will grow from the day one itself. So is this possible? Yes, it is possible. In this video I am going to told you all the monopoly tips and tricks which will help you to grow your business. So I request all to watch this video till the end so that you can completely understood how to create a monopoly. So let's get started. So few things I just want to tell in this video which are common. Okay, you can do it, in even anyone can do it. It is not about monopoly, but it about creating a brand, creating the value of your pharmacy. The first one is location. Your location should be ideal, where there is a good footfall of the people, or even you have a good support from the hospital. Second one is your knowledge. You need good knowledge about the medicine, everything, okay, so that you can properly doing counseling to your patient. Next is all about the customer relationship management. Your customer should be reaches at you because they know you have that kind of the medicines, or they know you are really a good person and you know everything. Whenever they ask anything about their health related, you can definitely guide them. So customers are emotionally connected with you, so that you should become a pharmacist, their first choice of pharmacist whenever they need it. So keep trying to become a family pharmacist for your customers. Even you can create different campaigns as well, like health awareness campaign, health screening campaigns. This is common, okay, but it is not helping to create monopoly, but yes, to create a brand. So like doing the campaigns will be definitely good. Like you can communicate with your nearby lab and do some blood test or a kind of the activities also on weekly basis or monthly basis. Okay, that will be again helpful. So different campaigns you can do to create awareness about your program and taking like health benefits to your patients. Then the next one is the need of the hour is online presence. Your pharmacy should be present online so that anyone can able to purchase medicines from your medical store online based. Like you can create either app or like a website as well. They can definitely purchase from there itself. And also free home delivery is also need of an hour, so you can do that as well. And if possible, you can establish a store which is 24/7, which is open always, no any time close. That will be good thing. So these are the things which are basics but which create a brand of your pharmacy. So you can do this, everyone can do this. Now we can move to the monopoly. How we can create a monopoly? So the first way is you can create your own brand. Own brand means your own brand which is trademark registered from your end. Either it is a third party manufacturing product, or you can take a propaganda cum distributorship company like PCD franchisee you can take, and those products have monopoly rights of your area. Means you can only sell those products in your area, no one can able to sell. So is this possible? Yes, it is possible, but many times it needs wholesale license as well, like retail with wholesale. So if you have that kind of the product, you can sell on the over the counter or through the doctor prescription, but you have only access of that product. So it help to create a monopoly. Then the next one is all about the franchising. We are recently launched our new franchise business model, which is pharmacy plus wellness franchising, which is not discount based, it is completely service based. Here we are providing different solutions to your customer so that they can even for their health. It covers acute diseases, it covers chronic diseases, different techniques we are telling which are helpful to improve their health. Okay, even there is complete remove of any disorder from the root as well. So it is based on the natural healing process. So we are providing you different techniques, providing you the training accordingly, and accordingly you can start working at your area. So this is the India's first time launched franchisee from our end, which we are giving you, and we are also giving you the monopoly rights. So the benefits of this franchisee is it is the low investment. Next one, it is ideal for all locations. Next one, it empowers you as well along with the patient. Okay, so patient will definitely get benefit, you also empower. So we thought that pharmacists should grow themselves as a counselor as well, not only dispensing the medicines. Then the next one, we provide you the monopoly rights as well to your area. So take the benefits of this. You create a monopoly at your area which no one is able to serve those kind of the services to your customer. For more information, fill the application form given in the description or call to this number. Then the next tip is tie up with the doctor. Tie up means communicate with the doctor, and in such a way that the prescribed medicine should only available at your end. Okay, maybe there is other company, not third party or franchisee, but other company where maybe there is an activity oriented products as well, but that products are available at your counter only. It is possible. Okay, you can try this as well. Then the next one, you can start pharmacy plus clinic plus lab, that kind of the services, so that customer visited, customer needed any lab related information, anything, I mean there are tests has to be conducted, they will conduct, even they can communicate with the doctor, take their counseling. So everything at one group, that is also create a monopoly. Then the next one is you can give highest discount at your area. It should be 15, 20 or 25% as well. So if you are giving highest discount that no one can give, you can easily create a monopoly. So for that reason, you can take a help of the franchisee, like Dawa discount, like Wellness Forever, like Sanjeevani. That kind of the franchisee can able to provide you the discount to your customers. Okay, but in that franchisee model, one thing is there that whenever you are providing discount to your customer, the part of the margin you will get, not fully margin. Okay, so these are the limitations, but still if you this tricks is well helpful at your area, you can do it. Then the next one, you can procure the medicines of the super specialty like oncology drugs, okay, or nephrology drugs or psychiatric drugs. Because these medicines are not available at all stores, you can make it available and at discounted price you can give to the customer, so that customer can reaches to you. Even you can communicate with such hospital like cancer hospital, AIDS related. And the last one is inventory. Any medicine, right from the 1 rupees of the medicine to 1 lakh rupees of the medical devices as well, you have to make it available, so that your every customer need should be fulfilled. Okay, so you will be automatically getted mouth publicity, and here you can able to create a monopoly. So these are the different ways where you can able to create monopoly at your retail business from the day one. But few challenges are there. First is investment. Some tips are there where investment is needed. Second way, the doctor communication, because some of the tips I tell you, they are doctor related. So your area doctor should be communicating with you good, so that you can able to create it. And the next one is discount, like discount competition. Like if anyone taking the franchisee, like you are taking 25% discounted franchisee, like you will provide 25% discount to the customer on MRP. If anyone else is also doing at your area, it is maybe possible, then it again creates a additional competition. That may be challenges, it's not a compulsory, but this should be taken into consideration also. So this is all about the creating monopoly. I hope you completely understood the ways. But if you want to start your own pharmacy, want to grow your own pharmacy, you want our mentorship, so you can join our 9-day workshop on retail pharmacy business management. Our new batch will be started soon, where we provide all information, which is like how to start a pharmacy, how to grow your pharmacy, how to purchase a medicine, different management including credit management, profit management, software analysis, and the future opportunities. Everything we are going to provide you, and many people started their own pharmacy from our this workshop. So this will be ideal for you. For more information, we provide details in the description, or call to this number or visit our website. Definitely fill the Google form given in the description. That's it from this video. I hope you completely understood all the tips related to creating a monopoly in your business, and you can start working accordingly. Thanks for watching this video. If you like all the content, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues who are already engaged in the retail pharmacy or want to start a retail pharmacy. Thanks for watching this video. I wish you all the best.